Welcome to Reasonable Suspicion Testing, what supervisors need to know. For detailed information about how to complete this course and use all of its features, select the Help button. To proceed through this course, select the Next button. Everyone agrees that driving, drinking, and drugs don't mix. Still, at any given time, approximately 12% of drivers on the road have alcohol or drugs in their system. Tragically, over 10,000 people die on the highways as a result of drunk driving crashes every year. Add in the crashes and fatalities that result from drivers impaired by drugs, and you understand the seriousness of the problem. When these problems touch the motor carrier industry, the consequences can be tragic. As a supervisor, being trained on reasonable suspicion is an important first step in keeping unsafe, impaired drivers off the road. Section 382.603 requires that all persons designated to supervise drivers receive at least 60 minutes of training on alcohol misuse and an additional 60 minutes of training on controlled substance use. This required training is used by supervisors to determine whether reasonable suspicion exists to require a driver to undergo testing under Section 382.307. This course is designed to help satisfy the reasonable suspicion training requirements under 49 CFR Part 382. In addition, this course will help all persons designated to supervise CMV drivers gain confidence in regards to their reasonable suspicion testing responsibilities by covering the prohibitions, the reasonable suspicion process, effects of alcohol misuse and drug use, and what happens after the alcohol or drug test is done. After completing this course, you will be able to describe the regulations that apply to reasonable suspicion testing, including the alcohol and drug prohibitions, identify the 5 steps in the reasonable suspicion process, and explain how to successfully execute each step, and recognize the signs and symptoms of alcohol abuse and drug use, and describe what to look for when determining reasonable suspicion.